Hi, I'm Dr. David at Magnolia Skin Center, and we are going to talk today about Cellenis PRP treatments, which I love this topic. My team has compiled a list of questions for me to answer, so let's go for it. So, what's question number one? How can you turn my own blood into a natural filler to add volume to my cheeks, breasts, or buttocks? Okay, I love this subject. I've been doing all kinds of fillers for many years. There's all kinds of products. This is an option for creating a filler from your own body components so that I'm not putting anything into your body that's not from your body. We draw your blood, we spin it with special spinners, and then I take the top part, and the top part has two components. One component has a lot of albumin, the other component has the regenerative components. I take off the albumin part, cook it, and make a gel out of your own proteins, and then remix it with the regenerative components, and then fill whatever part we want to fill. Why is this amazing? Because first of all, it creates a strong filler. There's nothing in there that's not from your body. And number three, the regenerative components make you regrow your own collagen, elastin, fibrin to restore your natural useful volume without a synthetic outside material of any kind. So that's very exciting. Question number two, why would I choose a natural filler made from my own blood over traditional synthetic dermal fillers? Well, first of all, we always prefer to use our own body products rather than put a foreign substance in, just in general. Okay. Second of all, this is regenerative. It turns on your own mechanisms for regrowing your own collagen, elastin, and fibrin in volume rather than artificially giving you that volume. We've also learned that sometimes some of those products can move and end up where we don't really want them. And so this is a regenerative situation where you actually regrow your own collagen, elastin, and fibrin. So you really regenerate your natural useful skin structure. Number three, is there any risk of my body forming weird lumps or having an allergic reaction to this natural filler? No. Okay, because it's your own body's components. So you're not going to have an allergic reaction to something from your own body. Lumps. Okay. Could there be a lump? There could be a lump from where it's first put in, or from a little bit of bleeding that touches a blood vessel or something. Okay, all of that is very temporary. Is going to resolve, um, uh, and rarely happens to begin with. What this question is really talking about is there are some other products that, if you get them in the wrong area of the skin, they can cause reactions that can cause bumps that can become permanent. This doesn't have the ability to do that because it's your own skin, it's your own body's products, which are not going to stay around and cause any consequence. Okay, so question number four, how long does the whole appointment take from drawing my blood to doing the actual volume injections? So, um, we are going to talk to you. We're going to take some pictures. We're going to do some consent. We're going to draw your blood. It's a procedure to process it, spinning and processing the blood that takes about 20 minutes. And then, depending on how much we're doing, how many tubes we're doing, maybe another 20 minutes to actually do the procedure. So, all total, maybe an hour from start to finish. Okay. Question number five. Will my face look instantly plumped right after the appointment, or does it take time to build up? Your face will look instantly plumped after the appointment. It will look great. What you do have to make sure you understand is this is a regenerative procedure. So it will be plumped. Then over the next several days, there will be some lessening of that plumpness, and then your own body will start rebuilding your own collagen, elastin, and fibrin to plump back up. So there's sort of like instant plump, a little bit of loss, and then a replumping. Question number six: how many months do the volume and skin smoothing results last compared to regular chemical fillers? Well, because we are restoring your natural, normal, younger facial architecture with your real volume from actual connective tissue structures, it's going to last depending on the rate at which you age. The way I sort of like to think about this or explain to people, if I restore a face that's 20 years younger than your current face, you're just going to age from that place again, right? Whereas artificial fillers can go away much quicker than that. So that's why we love this option. And then number 7, can this natural blood gel filler completely smooth out deep, hollow acne scars that fillers couldn't fix? Yes, I love this question. One of the problems about acne scars or scars in general, they tend to be scarred down or sort of tethered down to the deeper structures. And so, and, and, and and even if they're not, there's a lack of tissue. That's why there can be like a hole, right? There's just nothing under there. If I put in a filler, that hole will push the filler out of the way. It's very difficult to get the filler to stay there and push that structure back up. So with a regenerative technique like this, the connective tissue regrows under that indentation or hole, if you will, so that then that starts to push back out. So this is a great option for indentations, scars, acne scars. So there you go, Magnolia Skin Center. Can't wait to see you here.